Metro Wagamash makes refrigerant leak from Z20900's air conditioners in Constal 105 and rocks. If you are watching this, please make Moderas Gammas, 81-572.2's and 81-717.2k's reaction to this video. The reason is why Metro Wagamash doing this, because there is a controller spider inside her head.
Oh, I remember something. This Alstom is originally from Alsatian and Thompson, but Thompson was my enemy. But he no can't stop me, because I'm going to cause a refrigerant leaking on Z20900's air conditioners. Ha 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 ha.
Whoa, what's going on Z20900?
Oh, you're not gonna believe this, I got my air conditioners leaking.
So your air conditioners are leaking? I know what's behind all of this. Those Russians are usually want to make a war strains out of us. Christ Primus 1790, what was that noise? The bicycles are not sounds like that.
I can tell you, the reason is why my bicycle have electric noises, because it's an electric bicycle, it's a macadam electric bike.
If it's an electric bike, then it's powered by a throttle? Or what?
This electric bike not use throttle system, this electric bike is use pedal assist system. Wow, I haven't seen any pedal assist powered e-bikes, I only seen the throttle powered ones. But anyways, Christ Primus 1790, there is something bad happened. I have my air conditioners leaking. Oh no, this means, I need to go to tell Alstom about this immediately. Oh, looks like Z20900's air conditioner leaking. Well then, Z20500, all you have to do is get something for Z20900's air conditioners.
Okay, I will buy something for Z20900's air conditioners along with Z5600 and Z8800. Fuyuka, did you see anything for Z20900's air conditioner problems?
Oh, really? Air conditioner problems. The only one reason to solve the problem is an air conditioner repair. There is one, just go ahead.
Yeah, finally, my air conditioner is fixed. I know why Metro Wagamash caused my air conditioners leaking, because there is a controller spider inside her head.
Yeah, I finally do my revenge. Ha 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 ha.
Metro Wagamash, I bought there is a controller spider inside your head. Christ Primus 1790 also want to check your head, and if you don't want get shocked by AM4M4, then come back to Christ Primus 1790 immediately.
Never, Mr. Z20500, I don't listen to you. Hey! AM4M4, why did you shock me?
I found out for there is a controller spider.
I'm sorry Z20900 for causing your air conditioners leaking. The reason is why I did all of this because there was a controller spider in my head.
I accept your apologies.